Hi friends, this is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Now in second tutorial, fifth problem we are attacking. See, this is also very good problem. See, the problem is what? Seeing the problem, how we are attacking. Previous problem is what? If you apply the property means what? You got nicely. Otherwise become tedious. So this problem also see. Perpendicular or region x minus y plus z dx dy dz, where x is running from 1 less than or equal to less than or equal to 2, y running from 2 to 3, and z running from 1 to 3. Now we see this is limits also mentioned. This order is so same order you can follow. First with respect to x means what? X limits you can do inside. Then next is what? Y means what? Second you can write y limits. Z means what? Next you can write z limits. So outside what is the what? Last limit is what? Z limit 1 2 3. That is z is equal to 1 2, z is equal to 3. Inside limit is what? Sorry, this is y. Two to 3. Then x limit is what? 1 to 2. Now we see, if I do with respect to x means what? This I can treat as a linear x minus y plus z whole square by 2, right? That if you go that method means what? Somewhat I take upper limit apply means what? 2 minus y plus z whole square minus 1 minus again square, again cube, somewhat I take. Don't do, but we can apply that also. So you don't make yourself tedious. This how I will do, this x I will do, this y minus z one term I will treat. I can write z minus y. So 1 2 3 2 2 3. Now with respect to x, if I do means what? X square by 2 my plus this I will write z minus y into x 1 2 2. Any doubt? dy dz. Cut out. Now apply limit. Shall above. Now if you apply means what? This upper limit is what? 2. This for 4 minus 1 3 by 2. This is 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So balance term is what? 1 2 3 2 2 3 is what? 2 square upper limit minus 1 square 4 minus 1, so 3 by 2 over plus z minus y 2 minus 1 is 1 over then dy dz. Now we can do with respect to y 1 2 3. This is what? 3 by 2 y. This is what? Plus yz minus y square by 2. Limit is what? 2 to 3 dz. Now again apply limits 1 2 3 3 by 2. First fellow I am applying upper limit minus lower limit. 3 minus 2 is 1. Just I am skipping. Then this is what? 3 minus 2 into this is z. This is what? Minus 9 minus 4 5 by 2. Any doubt? dz. Now 1 2 3 3 by 2 plus z minus 5 by 2 dz. Now 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, what you will get? Minus 2 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Z minus 1 dz. Now if you want, you can see our linear concept. This how I will write: z minus 1 whole square by 2, 1, 2, 3. Lower limit waste, upper limit only stands. Upper limit is what? 3 minus 1, 2 square by 2. PROB. So this is the way of attacking. Okay, thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe and inform to all your first year friends. Bye.